Damansara Sentral. Di sebelah kiri akan dibuka. Exit to the left door.
Train mengambil platform 2 ke Kwasa Damansara akan tiba sebentar lagi. Sila beratur di tepi pintu dan beri laluan kepada penumpang keluar terlebih dahulu. The train approaching platform 2 to Kwasa Damansara is arriving. Please stand by the side of the doors and let passengers alight first.
Hey guys, it's 8 a.m. and I'm at Damansara Damai station. You might be wondering why I'm here, out of all places in Sungai Buloh and stuff. But recently, MRT Putrajaya line has increased its peak hour frequency. That's some intense flat wheels, my set to 1.3. But yeah, it has increased from 37 trains to 40 trains being used during peak hours, which has increased capacity by 8%. And just now, the run sequence numbers have changed for each train as well. So there will be up to number 40 in the morning peak. In the evening peak, it will be up to run number 60. So just now was already 38. 40 is coming soon. Job Street train on run 040. On run 039.